So in this video, I want to officially talk about PickToken. All right. Um, if you want to join my investment, I take a lot of risks, and we YouTubers that make videos of investment on investment, financial, whatever, we do a lot of experiment with our money. Sometimes we lose money in the process just to make sure that we get content across to you guys. So we deserve some accolades sometimes. That's why most times y'all can sponsor some videos. No matter, okay, this my YouTube is a bit smaller, all right. The YouTube is small for now, so y'all can still sponsor a video, like say, okay, I need to sponsor your video for this, all right. It to encourage me, all right. And if you have other smaller YouTubers that, you can encourage them that way by just sponsoring or donating or whatever. So um so uh, the reason why I made this video is I have a whole I've bought over let's say 50 token that I see, 50 coins, cryptocurrency that I see that they have proficiency to bring in a good return on investment, all right. And that's when I buy them like that. I keep them within my watch, and then I study them, and then when they show some level of uh, like some level of increment, like to be a good investment, I haven't studied about them, I haven't understood how they work, and I bring them on here to show you guys. So those of y'all that want to join that kind of plan, that want to join me, because at some point in time, when you get in early, you get good, but when you get in late, you have to dance around with the masses that comes in late when everything has worked, all right. We all know that those that really are beneficial from BTC and Ethereum are those that got in first. So for you not to be late, so whenever new cryptocurrency come up like that, and they have the potential and the proficiency to make you an extreme millionaire or something with just as little as your little investment of, let's say, $1, $2 or something. Or if you have about $10,000, that's much enough, all right. So you have to join my what do they call it, my plan, all right. And before you join, you should be aware that this is a risk when investing in cryptocurrency. So it's a matter of a lifetime of some period of year, let's say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years to 5 years. So when you're doing crypto, you have to be sure that you have understood that crypto dances up and down. It can go very high and go very low, and you must be very aware of the risk that is involved. All right, so that means whatever you're investing, it should be an investment that you are ready to do away with at any point in time. So without saying too much, we're talking about Pick Token right here. And Pick Token, what I literally put into Pick Token was $2. All right, $2. That's at that time I bought about 190 million worth of Pick Token. I think so. Yeah, 190 million worth of Pick Token. All right, and today between years from then it's been dancing up and down until yesterday, day before yesterday. It shows some proficiency to push up, and that's increased by about 300%. And then yesterday it booms, like everything changed. It totally changed the face of the account, all right. Even supersede all the other coins, all right. So I do a lot of experiment like that. So I'm just going to show you some review about TikTok and why it's still not late to get in. It's still a proficiency, a good investment to really put your money into and get some return of investment at a later months or later year. All right. So uh, those of you that want to join the my investment plan, so just there's a link below. You just send me an email that you want to join. All right. I have my email link there down there. Send me an email that you are ready to join my investment plan. So whatever whatever that I see, I have studied and I've understood, and I see that is a good investment to put your money into, to put your coins into, and then I'll give it to you. You join as early as possible so that you be among those that will be enjoying the fruit of the labor as early as possible. So uh If by now you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do what to subscribe. All right, this channel is a millionaire channel. All right, it's making a lot of millionaires and billionaires out there. All right, regardless of how small it is right now. All right, whatever idea I'm bringing to you guys is $1 million, $1 billion idea. All right, so be sure that you are subscribed to the channel. All right, so let's dive right into the video and check how it goes right away. Alright, before I continue with this video, I want you all to just subscribe to my channel. If by now you are not subscribed, just hit that red button there and subscribe, and then click on the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video again, you'll be the first to see it and be able to use it for. This is a new video up for you guys, for those of you that don't know how to withdraw your crypto from Binance to your local bank account. So just check it out and be sure that you withdraw. Maybe if you want to withdraw, you want to deposit to as well. All right, I showed a live tutorial on how that works right here, so let's just get in and continue. All right, so if you don't have market cap, I'm going to drop the link below, market cap, or you can just go to the link coinmarketcap.com. all right, now today I'm talking about Peak Finance. Look at Peak Finance. All right, Peak Finance is one of those crypto I've been looking at for some time right now, and I've added them to my study, and it has shown some significant improvement. All right, so like you can see here, according to their live data, is a Peak Finance today is 7.8E7 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 244.6 million plus. All right, and then Peak Finance is down 42.79% in the last 24 hours. All right, so you can literally read up this data by yourself. All right, I love their pattern and everything. All right, so you can see that Peak Finance is still at $0.00000075, and today it went down by 44.74%, which is manageable. I bought Peak Finance some few days ago, and you can see that it's on Binance Smart Chain. You can see the contract ID right here, which means you can literally copy this contract ID and add it up. All right, even you can also add it on MetaMask using it by just clicking on this button right here. All right, so let's look at the chart of Peak Finance. All right, Peak Finance today has been on the down low, and that's because almost all crypto today have been red. All right, because the influence of BTC really went down. BTC went down today, and today's date is May. All right, let me see. Today is May 12th of May. All right, let's check the date. Today's date is 13 May rather. 13 May. All right, so okay, now in the last 7 days, Peak Finance has been on has really performed well, and it went on an all-time high on the 10th of May. 10th of May. That's this date here. Let's see. All right, that's on the 11th of May. It went to as much as 0.0005 per dollar per Peak Finance. All right, and I invested in Peak Finance, so let's say some 2 weeks ago from this date where this video is uploaded, and from that 2 weeks, I think it was around here also, around 9th of May also, or somewhere here, and I put in what I just put in was about $5, and the $5 grew to as much as $600 with this all-time high. But as of today, it has gone back down this way, and that's gone back to about $100 as of today as I speak. All right, so I see it as a good investment for anybody to put their money in. Let's check the chart in 1 month. You see that it's been it's been performing well, and then let's say it in 3 months it's also been good. So this was when it went on the all-time high, and this is the level where it is right now. So I really feel that it's this is the opportunity for everyone to get in. All right, if you are subscribed to this channel, all right. And mind you, this is not a financial advice. First of all, this is just based on my personal discretion. So if you are investing in any crypto, it's at your own personal discretion, and make sure you invest with a small portion of your money that you can lose if you want to, that you can do away with. All right, so let's check the market cap. The market cap of Peak Finance. So, all right, all-time chart. Okay, so this is literally the all-time chart of Peak Finance. So, for me, Peak Finance is going to take one more high like this before it goes all-time high, another high again. So, I believe this time right now is a very good opportunity for anyone and everyone to get in, and you can really make it big from this Peak Finance investment. So I just thought I should show you guys this video, and I'm going to show you the screen of my account so you see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to share this screenshot with you guys of how my account is, my investment on Peak Finance is, and how it went high, and you know how it's doing. All right, it has just been a $5 investment, and it has gone right now with this all-time low that it has gone. You know, it has gone. It's about $100 right now, from $5 to $100, and it went to about $600 before now, getting to $700, $640. All right, so y'all can dive into it. If you don't know how to put your money, if you don't know how to buy Peak Finance, you know, send me an email. I could guide you through, or I could create a portfolio, or if you can contact me on Instagram, I could get it for you, maybe in exchange for another currency or whatever. But I'm still going to be making a whole lot of videos on how to get some of this crypto. It's not as difficult as most person think. It's just a simple thing to do. So be sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel by now, subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video.